Hello travellers, so today I want to do my final review. It's sort of my thoughts on this here, which is the Minaal Daily 3.0. So I did do a hands-on review where I kind of did a walkthrough of all the different functions of this bag, a bit about the design and how this hidden rain cover in here has a hidden pocket on the side here. So I think I'll talk a bit about the positives, what I did like about it, and then some of the negatives. And I will say I bought this bag with my own money. The company didn't sponsor me, didn't want to send me one. So this is with my own money. I ordered it, and I'm going to be selling this one as well. So if you want to buy this bag, I'll put a link to the eBay so you can purchase it. So basically, some of the positives that I like about this bag is that it is a nice small sort of 21 litre, I believe it is. So the back panel is nice and padded, but this is also something which is a bit of a negative because this panel is just one solid piece, and when it's hot you can kind of feel that sticking against your back, and it's not the most comfortable design. So the other thing I love about this bag is the nice grab handles. You get this really comfortable material which is very padded and smooth. You get one on the top and one on the side here, so it's great to carry like as a briefcase sort of style. I also do love the sternum strap. You can see here it includes like a safety whistle, and that is a nice sternum strap. It's not that easy to remove. I'm not sure if you even can remove it, but it is nice that that's there. And the way that I like to do this is I like to thread that through there so it doesn't hang down and dangle. So it's nice that it has these little loops that you can attach stuff to. And the other good thing is they include this elastic keeper here, and that I've used that to thread through to carry the excess straps from the bag so that these don't dangle around, because that's often a thing that happens with backpacks. And it also has clips so you can tuck these straps behind it, which is also a positive. Now I do like the assortment of hidden pockets, but this one again is also a bit of a negative because it's quite small. It's good for a parcel, but it's quite difficult to get your hand in there, but it is nice to have. The final thing which I would say is like a positive about this bag is the back panel, or the laptop compartment, or the tech compartment, is one of the best things about this bag. It fully opens up and you have an assortment of like credit cards, document sleeve here, and then on this side you get like a laptop compartment, and then also a tablet compartment. So this is a great sort of laptop bag. If you're only carrying a laptop, I would say that it's a great bag for that, and that gives you a lot of organization and flexibility, which I find very useful and handy. The deal breaker for this bag, and part of the reason why I am selling it, and I don't use it as much as I wish I would, is these straps. Basically, it's not very comfortable to wear, and if a backpack's not comfortable to wear, then why have it? So these straps, they have a single point attachment at the top here, and it has this sort of strip along the inner side, which I think to make it more comfortable, and the back is just a smooth material as well. But what I found is when I wear this, especially when you carry something heavy like a laptop or anything that's heavier in here, these kind of dig into your shoulders. The weight is like all concentrated here, so it digs in your shoulders as you're wearing it, and I did not find that very comfortable. Also, the fact this strap attaches to the top here like this, I find it more comfortable when bags have like a midpoint attachment so that the strap can kind of have more flexibility. But because of this attachment, and the way that when you wear it, it stretches like that, it causes a point of tightness on your shoulders that makes it essentially just uncomfortable to carry, in my opinion. So another thing I really did not like about this bag is that, if you can see here, the main compartment zipper kind of goes up at an angle, and I would have thought that's a good, interesting design, but when you actually try to zip and unzip it, it always gets caught in that part. It makes it so it's not essentially not that smooth and easy, especially when you've got stuff in here. So if this is packed and you're trying to zip it up, this final bit, things often start falling out, or it's just not a very intuitive way to have a bag for packing. But I did do a video, you can click in the top right to see where I did pack out this with my complete packing list. And it was a little bit uncomfortable, as I was saying, on the straps when I had that fully packed. And because of the material, it's not very stretchy, so when this is fully packed, it basically starts to be very hard to squeeze anything else in. Now, the other thing I don't like about this bag is that this bag itself, while empty, is just over 2.2 pounds or 1 point something kilograms. I don't mind if a bag's like a kilogram or less, but for a bag like this size to be that weight, it is on the heavier side for this size of bag. The Topper Designs bag I have is 1.2 kilograms, and it's over 30 liters, and this is only 20, so the size of the bag and how much it weighs is something I take into consideration when I'm traveling, but it might not be a problem for you. So just taking a look inside as well, I just packed some jumpers in here. So the inner panel, you don't get much in terms of organization, and this pocket on the top is something that I like, but the position of it means that when you have anything in here and then you open it, that makes its flap very heavy and unwieldy. So that's not my favorite part of the design. You do get an internal stretchy sleeve here, which you can use for a water bottle. I found it really good for putting an umbrella. And then you get two internal pockets here, which are flat, so they would be good for cables and stuff. So I would say this bag is really mainly good for like a laptop bag, maybe a business bag, you know, like something you would take to school perhaps. But it's definitely not very good for carrying stuff that is heavy, mainly because of these straps make it quite uncomfortable. So that's pretty much my thoughts on this bag. Those are what I've noticed when I've been using it, especially when I've packed it out with a laptop and stuff. I just didn't find it particularly comfortable to wear for long periods of time. So that's it, my sort of full thoughts and review of this here, which is the Minaal Daily 3.0. Hopefully, if they do make a 4.0, they'll change some parts of this bag, perhaps the zip or the straps, and make it a little bit more enjoyable to travel with. That's it. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.